Given a series of product descriptions like birch table measures 3 feet by 6 feet by 2 feet, estimate the volume of each product. I came up with 2 solutions to this problem, both of which use regular expressions. Now, even though we didn't cover regular expressions in the course, I included this problem because once you do learn regular expressions, you'll want to know how to use them with pandas, and this will give you a good chance to see how they're useful. So here's the first solution. This bit here is a regular expression, and you can tell because the string has an R right before it. This bit, and this bit are called capture groups because they're enclosed with parentheses. Inside each capture group is a regular expression pattern, and in this case they're all /d+. In regex, /d means any digit, so it matches any numbers 0 through 9, and plus means one or more matches. So when we do descriptions.str.extract and pass in this regular expression, it looks for one or more digits, followed by $x, followed by one or more digits, followed by $x, followed by one or more digits, followed by apostrophe. And what gets returned is a data frame with the values identified by each capture group. Looking at the first string in the descriptions, the regular expression matches this substring, and the capture groups pick up these substrings. Now, str.extract returns strings, so we'll convert those to ints. And then we can do dims.product axis equals 1 to do row products, calculating the volume of each product. So my second solution is nearly the same, except it uses str.extract all with one capture group. Obviously, this returns every matching occurrence of one or more digits followed by an apostrophe, which is a little less bulletproof than the previous solution, but it works for this example. Then I convert dims from strings to ints, just like before. And since the index of dims is a multi-index of input row match number pairs, I want to group the data by input row, so level 0 of the multi-index, and aggregate the groups taking the product of series values.